The Flyboard Air, brought to you by 𝗬𝗵𝗵𝗽, boasts some impressive numbers. It can ascend to a staggering altitude of 3,000 meters. When it comes to size, it measures 77 centimeters in length, 51 centimeters in width, 48 centimeters in height, and has an empty weight of 30 kilograms. It's powered by a 40-liter tank of Jet A1 fuel and relies on 5 turbojets for its impressive propulsion. Talking about speed, it can achieve a top velocity of 235 kilometers per hour. In addition, it offers a flight time of approximately 10 minutes. It also has a generous load capacity supporting up to 120 kilograms. And here's the best part, the user-friendly design of the Flyboard Air allows easy control, so you don't need to be a seasoned pilot, and all that's required is good body balance. When it comes to safety, even if by some rare chance both turbines cease to function, the Flyboard Air is equipped to ensure a controlled descent. Moreover, it provides real-time data on crucial flight parameters such as altitude, speed, and autonomy levels right on your helmet display. The 𝗀𝗂𝗽𝗽𝗀 flyer is designed for recreational use. You don't need a pilot's license to operate it. It is a VTOL aircraft, which stands for vertical takeoff and landing, and it doesn't have any fixed wings. When it comes to performance, you can enjoy 12 to 20 minutes of flight times, with a top speed of over 20 miles per hour. It offers quite the adrenaline rush. In addition, it features a octocopter design with 8 propellers, ensuring stability and precise control. It's designed for a single flyer, and the autonomy level is pilot-assisted, meaning it is user-friendly and easy to operate. In terms of size, the 𝗀𝗂𝗽𝗽𝗀 flyer has a wingspan of 13 feet and is 8 feet long. It operates at a height of 3 to 10 feet above the surface of the water. Furthermore, the battery life is flexible, depending on factors like participant weight, environmental conditions, and forward speed. The Martin Jetpack holds an experimental airworthiness certificate and can be operated by a single pilot or used for carrying payloads. It has an empty weight of approximately 230 kilograms, and when fully fueled, it can carry a payload of up to 100 kilograms. Powering this extraordinary aircraft is a 200 horsepower engine, 30-hour interval between overhauls. The Jetpack's construction showcases the use of modern materials and engineering expertise. The ducts are crafted from a blend of carbon fiber, aramid fiber, honeycomb core, and epoxy resin. Fans are manufactured using 𝗀𝗄𝗽𝗃 carbon fiber, aramid fiber, and foam core. The main beam is built from high modulus carbon fiber with a foam core. Its spine is formed using 𝗀𝗄𝗽𝗃 carbon fiber. The fuel tank is a combination of carbon fiber, Kevlar, and fuel-resistant epoxy resin. The undercarriage integrates carbon fiber, epoxy resin, and aluminum alloy. Engine heads are composed of carbon fiber with high-temperature flame-resistant vinyl ester resin. Air boxes are constructed with carbon fiber and epoxy resin. In terms of performance, the Martin Jetpack boasts a range between 15 to 20 kilometers and a remarkable flight time of 28 minutes. It can reach airspeeds of up to 40 kilometers per hour and maintains a ceiling of 2,500 feet above mean sea level. Even with a 100-kilogram payload on board, moreover, it employs a fly-by-wire system, eliminating the need for pilot control input to achieve a zero airspeed hover. For added safety, it's equipped with a ballistic parachute that can be deployed at ultra-low altitudes. Pilot protection is a top priority with a protective pilot module and structural safeguards in place. The Scorpion 3 Hoverbike takes its design cues from the world of motorcycles, delivering the appearance and sensation of a compact dirt bike. Its flight time varies, offering a window of 10 to 25 minutes, and is capable of covering distances up to 20 kilometers on a single charge, achieving an exhilarating top speed of 65 kilometers per hour. This machine allows for a payload of up to 120 kilograms, granting it versatility across various applications. Furthermore, it can elevate your experience to heights of 10 meters above the ground. This hoverbike offers you the flexibility to opt for either full manual or automated control. Additionally, it incorporates a state-of-the-art safety system facilitated by advanced flight controllers, intelligent programming, and computer-assisted speed and altitude regulation. Beneath the surface, the Scorpion 3 boasts a robust supporting power platform fashioned for a spatial carbon monocoque. This design is bolstered with reinforced cross-forming elements and power plates, ensuring reliability and safety. The four propellers, each driven by autonomously operating sensored engines, constitute a pivotal aspect of the hoverbike. What's particularly impressive is the frame's construction using single-element carbon fiber, slashing the weight in half, thereby making room for a more capacious and potent battery configuration. The Gravity jet suit is powered by 5 gas turbine engines, turning out an incredible 1,050 brake horsepower. These engines produce 318 pounds of thrust, which is equivalent to 144 kilograms. The suit can cover approximately 3 miles. As for flight time, it's measured in minutes. You can fly for up to 4 minutes in ideal conditions. However, in reality, depending on various factors, you can expect it to typically last anywhere from 0 to 3 minutes. This jet suit can zip through the skies at speeds exceeding 50 miles per hour, and has been flown at an astonishing speed of 85.06 miles per hour. Moreover, it can vertically lift a pilot to altitudes of 12,000 feet. One of its coolest features of the Gravity jet suit is its ability to land on a small footprint. This makes it ideal for quickly delivering aid to an injured person in mountainous or hard-to-reach areas. The Jetpack Aviation JP exhibits an incredibly low empty weight, coming in at just 83 pounds, with a maximum thrust of 395 pounds in standard atmospheric conditions. However, this maximum thrust can vary depending on the altitude you're flying at. The endurance of 8 minutes is subject to factors such as pilot's weight and the density of the air, so the actual flight time may differ. Fuel options are versatile with the JB10. You can operate using a range of jet fuels, including Jet A1, JP8, kerosene, and diesel. Moreover, when it is time to reach the skies, the JB10 can take you up to an impressive operating ceiling of 15,000 feet. At the core of this jetpack are 2 specially modified turbojet engines, each capable of generating roughly 200 pounds of thrust under standard atmospheric conditions. Jetpack Aviation offers 2 versions of the JB10. The ultralight category version is restricted to a maximum speed of 55 knots, which is approximately 65 miles per hour and can carry up to 5 gallons of fuel. Notably, under the rules of the American FAA, this version can be flown without the need for a pilot's license. On the other hand, the experimental category version has no speed or fuel restrictions. However, pilots are required to hold at least a sports or recreational pilot's license and undergo training and certification by Jetpack Aviation, the sole authorized jetpack instructors globally. This version offers the ultimate freedom in jetpack flight. The Jetman soars through the skies with a groundbreaking carbon fiber wing attached to his back. This wing is equipped with 4 compact jet engines, propelling the person to the forefront of personal aviation technology. The carbon fiber wing spans approximately 2 meters. When fully loaded with jet fuel, the entire apparatus weighs in at around 55 kilograms, which is approximately 121 pounds. The 4 jet engines harnessed to the wing each produce an impressive 50 pounds of thrust. This weight-to-thrust ratio allows for agile and dynamic flight. Jetman carries 8 gallons of jet fuel, translates to approximately 10 minutes of thrust. Unlike conventional aircraft, there are no ailerons or other control surfaces. Instead, all maneuvers are achieved through a precise body movement, making every flight a physical and mental feat. In addition, Jetman does not rely on conventional instruments to gauge his speed. Instead, he uses his skin and ears to sense air speed. During descents, a speed of approximately 160 miles per hour is attained. Landing depends on wind speed. When the wind speed is at least 50 miles per hour, a standing landing is executed. Otherwise, a 6-point landing is opted for, involving feet, knees, and hands. If you like this video, check out this video, Ultimate Car Crash Test, unveiling the top 10 most expensive crashes ever.